Chalo. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Coordinate geometry, right?
Sir.
Coordinate geometry. So till now we have learned the section formula.
Yes, sir.
Is that we learned?
Yes, sir.
And we have learned distance formula. We have not learned section formula. Till now we have learned distance formula.
Sir.
No.
Learn, sir.
Yes, na. Now we learn section formula. Section means you don't even remember like what we have taught. I'm proud of you. So section formula. Section formula means any line is there. Any like think this is one line and this line is divided into the ratio m is to n. This line is divided into ratio m is to n. Correct. Like we taken line, taken one rod, correct, and saying divide into 2 by 3 part. 2 by, so this is 2, second this is 2 and this is 3. Correct. 2 is to 3 or 1 is to 3 or 4 is to 5, anything. Correct. So means if this line is there, this line coordinate will be x1 y1 x1 and this is x2. This is x or n, man. Now it is x. Correct. x1 y1 x2 y2. Correct na? Assume this point is p, this point is q. Point is p and point is q, and this is some other point name r. Other point name r. Correct na? Whose coordinate is x comma y. Whose coordinate is x comma y. Means a line PQ, a line PQ divided by a point r, divided by a point r in the ratio m is to n. Divided by ratio m is to n. See, now in the question, either m and n will be given or this x and y will be given. Correct. Any one thing will be given. If x and y is given, they will say to find m and n. And if m and n is given, they will say to find x and y. Correct na? Now how to find? How to find? Proof in the exam generally it will not come, but even then I am saying you. Correct. Just understand. Same thing. Take this on the coordinate axis. X axis, y axis, x axis. Correct na? Now join this. Yes na? If you join this and this, correct, which line is tilted? This line, right? Now it's little bit okay. True? Acha. So if this point is x comma y, x1 y1 x1, so from here to here distance will be x1, here to here distance will be x1, and this distance will be y1. Tell you true?
Sir.
Yes na? Acha. Draw line here. Correct. Means from here to here distance is x. This distance is x and this distance will be y. True na? Acha. Now join this one. So from here to here distance will be x2 x2 and this distance will be y2. This distance will be okay. Now in the distance formula, we used to join this. Yes na? And we used to join this also. True? Acha. Here P, Q, R we have given name. Here give S, here give T. Any name you can give. Correct na? Acha. Now find the distance between PS. Find the distance between PS. PS means, see, total is X. Total is X. Visible na? From here to here is X. This also you can give something name. ST or like W, X, Y. Correct na? Anything name you give. Correct na? So now this PS will be how much? This X minus X1. Yes na? From this minus this means X minus X1 will be this. True na? Same like this, find this RT from X2 minus X, X2 minus X. Correct? Same like that, find this distance RS. Find this distance RS means from this R X, from this R X minus PW. Correct na? From R X minus PW means this is Y and this is Y1. So this distance will be Y minus Y1. Y minus Y1. Acha, next find this one QT. So QY minus RX. Yes or no? We can get. So QT Y2 minus Y. Y2 minus Y. So we get to know the this also, and this also. Till it okay? Yes or no? Acha. Now a little bit triangle knowledge you should have here. Triangle, basic proportionality theorem. That theorem say if any two angles are equal, these two triangle can be called similar. Getting? Acha, now see. We have drawn a straight line, and a straight line. Means this all three lines are parallel. Straight line means they are making 90 degree. Correct. So this all three lines are parallel. Correct na? Parallel means this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90. 90 and 90. Acha, next thing. Straight line and a straight line. Parallel lines. And this is the transversal line. See, again I am trying here. Two parallel line. This line I have drawn and this line I have drawn. Correct na? And one is the transversal line like this. True or not? So can we say this angle and this angle are equal?
Yes, sir.
Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Corresponding angle.
Yes, sir.
These two are called corresponding. So this angle and this angle are equal. See, same thing I marked or not?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if this angle equal to this angle equal to this, means these two triangle are similar. These two triangle are similar. If it is similar, the ratio of corresponding side also will be equal. Ratio of corresponding sides also will be equal. So I'm just writing ratio.
Ratio.
See, and ratio how to write? Here, either take first this triangle or this triangle. It's your wish. But whichever you taken first, take that one only first. Correct. So here 90. 90 in front is M. 90 front is M. Here 90 front is N. Yes na? Acha. Here this angle front is X minus X1. X minus X1. Here this 90 front is
X2 minus X1.
X2 minus X. X2 minus X. True na? Acha. Remain this one remain.
Yes, sir.
This one remaining, right? This and this two have written. This one is remaining. Means Y minus Y1 by here Y2 minus Y. Y2 minus Y. How we get this thing? Because triangle PRS and QRT are similar by double A criteria. Angle criteria. Correct. Proof nobody will ask. Correct. But even then I am saying each and everything. Correct. I am not writing. If you want to write in the video, you can see and write step by step. Because I told how to find this RS, how to find this QT, PS, RT. Everything I have told. Correct. You can rewind the video and you can see and you can write. Acha, now we have get this relation. You have get this relation. Now 3 equal to are there, then linear equation 2 variable, what you used to do? Cross multiplication method. You used to compare, like, sorry, you used to take any two, this two and this two. Like this only you used to solve, na? Here also take same thing. M by n is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. And one more. M by n is equal to y minus y1 by
Y2 minus Y2.
y2 minus y. Yes or no? Cross multiply. M x2 minus x is equal to n x minus x1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we should find the value of x. We should find the value of x, this coordinate. We should find the value of x. So multiply it. Mx2 minus mx is equal to nx minus nx1. Yes, na? X term bring one side. So minus mx minus nx, this one this side, is equal to minus nx1, and this one this side, minus mx2. mx2. Take here minus x out. Take here.
Minus X.
So m plus n. Minus x out means m plus n. Here what we can take out? Nothing.
Yes.
Or nothing you can take out. So just take minus. So nx1 plus mx2. Yes, na? This minus minus we can cancel.
Yes, sir.
Now x is equal to nx1 plus mx2 by m plus n. Understood? So this we get the value of x.
X.
This we get the value of x. Same like that, if I simplify this side also, if I simplify this side, wait, I write only m y2 y2, right? Cross multiply m y2 minus y, y2 minus
Y.
is equal to n y minus y1, y minus m y2 minus m y is equal to n y minus n y1. Correct, na? Again bring the all y term together, all y terms
Together.
so m y2 plus n y1 is equal to n y plus m y. Here take y out, m plus n remain. Here m y2 plus n y1. Now y is equal to, bring this one this side,
Yes, sir.
means m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. M plus
Yes.
n means what means we get the value. This is the y coordinate and this is the
X coordinate.
x coordinate.
Yes, sir.
Y coordinate and
X coordinate.
x coordinate. Getting? Correct, na? So now if question is asking how to find this x and y, simply put the coordinates, coordinate in this, you will get the value of x, you will get the value of y. Copy it, we will do some questions so you will be able to understand properly. Copy it.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So for remembering the formula, I have showed you the proof, but for remembering the formula, x coordinate and y coordinate. Actually, this you have to remember this only.
Sir.
You have to remember this only. How to remember? This one, this side. This one, this side, and this one,
This side.
this side. Remember? Now see how to write. M x2. When we are writing for x coordinate,
X coordinate.
just write about the x. So m x2 n x1 plus n x1 by m plus n.
N.
Like this. Remember? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is that we should remember big term? No. Just m x2 n x1 by m plus n. Getting? Next, we should write the y coordinate. So m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Getting? Yes or no? How to remember? This one, this side, this one, this side. Correct? Even if you not remember this one, this side, this one, this side, my teacher used to say something different also. Think two houses. This house, this is the men. This house, this is the men. Men. Correct. And nobody like their own baby. This house, they having their wife, but they don't like. So सबको अपनी पड़ोसी की बीवी अच्छी लगती है. नहीं, अब तो भूलेगा भी नहीं. अब हम बोलेंगे भी कि भूल जा, तो तू भूलेगा नहीं, है ना? चलो, this one understood? अच्छा, in this one more condition is there. Like, if this m is to 1, if this m is to n, m is to n is same. M is to n is same. Means m is to n is 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1 means both are equal. Both are equal means if I take in this line is of 2 centimeter, this line is of and divided from between. So this is 1 and this is also 1. Getting now? Means divided from between, middle. Divided from middle. If it divided from middle, so value of m is 1, value of n is also 1. Value of m is 1 and value of n is also 1. Now what this formula will become? X is equal to, speak the formula.
M x square
x2. Then
2 plus mx2
mx n.
nx1.
Try to read. If you not read, it's not possible. I'm rubbing. Read again. Say.
Sir.
Speak.
M by n.
Array m is feasible or not?
Yes, sir.
M.
mx
We are writing for x or y?
x
X. So only we'll take x value. So m
x sir.
x2 plus
n
n
x1
x1
sir.
by m plus n
Yes, sir.
by
n plus
m plus n. Acha. Now again for y. Try m
y2
or also try plus
n y1
by
m plus n.
yes or no?
Sir.
True. Now I am saying m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. M is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. Means m into something, 1 into something is 1, something only. So x2 plus x1 by 1 plus 1, and here y2 plus y1 by 1 plus 1. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to
X is
x is equal to. Correct na? Means if you rearrange and write, we can write x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Correct na?
yes, sir.
So if m and n are equal, equal, we can get the value x is equal to x1 plus x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Correct na? And this is called the middle point formula.
Middle point formula.
This is called the.
Middle point formula.
So here only I am making topic middle point formula. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So ny. So this is your section formula, right? Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Now midpoint formula. and y is equal to
y2.
sorry here m plus n, right, is 2 directly, right? In formula also y to write less more, right? Correct na? Acha, actually this formula is for the internal division, is for the
Internal division.
if you get external division, if you get external division means this is section formula for internal division, and now I am writing section formula for external division. So same thing, just minus will come. And correct. Now see some question. Example number 6 from your NCERT book only. Example number 6. Saying the find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment, which divide the line segment. Line segment means like this
Yes, sir.
line segment. Points 4 comma minus 3 and 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3 is to 1. In the ratio 3 is to
1.
1. Correct? We have written the question.
Yes, sir.
A line segment is there whose coordinates is given and that divided by the some ratio.
Ratio.
Correct. Then saying to find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point. Means which point? They are saying to find this one. Saying to find this one. So this one assume x comma y. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Give something name p, q,
R.
r. Correct?
sir.
Acha. Now we should find x. We should find x. See there and say the formula. See there. This is m. This is n.
N.
Now see there and say the formula. X is equal to, at least read all. M
M2 plus N.
plus
And next one.
Mn.
m plus n. M plus
N.
read for y.
M.
Y was
n by 2
Huh?
plus
Plus
n by 1
By
n
M
plus
plus
n.
N.
correct?
Sir.
At least for the reading, don't do like okay. So I can't. My mouth is only not there. I can't read. I have written. At least read from there. True.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now put the value. M is here 3.
Yes, sir.
M is here
3.
into x2 is how much? 8.
8.
x2 is
8.
8 plus n is how much?
N is.
N is how much? N is how much?
No, sir.
1.
1.
Arre, we have assumed n is equal to 1, n is equal to 3. So 1 into x1 is how much?
4.
4 by m plus n. What is m?
2.
3.
3, sir. 3.
What is n?
1.
1
Means after rewriting everything, after indicating x is how much, people can't able to read. I'm saying n is how much. Now 8 3s are
12.
24.
plus 4 by 4. Correct na? So this is 28
Sir. By 4.
by 4. In the 4 table 28 will come.
Yes, sir.
How many times?
4, 6.
4 6 are
20.
24. Next,
28.
thank God, something came, right? Chalo. M. How much?
M 3.
3.
Y2
5.
5.
into 5 plus n is how much?
1.
Y1 is how much? Y
3.
minus 3.
Minus 3.
If minus 3, write here minus 3. But in the bracket because we are doing multiplication. M is how much?
3
N is?
1
1.
Now simplify. 15 minus 3
3.
by 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes na? So this is 12 by 4. 4 table 12 comes.
4, 3, sir.
Chalo. So x is equal to 7, y is equal to
3.
3. So this coordinate you get 7 comma
1 comma 3
Very easy.
understood?
yes sir
This much. Chalo, question number 7. Question number 7. Listen. in what ratio the point, in what ratio the point is given, some point is there, that is minus 4 comma 6, minus 4 comma, divide the line segment joining the point, divides the line segment, means one line segment, this coordinate is given a minus 6 comma 10 and b 3 comma minus 8, 3 comma minus 8. Now I am repeating the question. In what ratio does the point 4 comma 6 divide the line segment this and this? Correct now? Means I told in the sum question this m and n will be given. In some question m and n will be given, you should find x and y. And in some question x and y will be given and m and n you should find. Understood the question?
Sir.
Understood or not?
Sir.
So now do it. Who can get the answer? Or who can get the answer? Huh?
I, sir.
Then do it then.
I'm not taking.
3 minus 8
See.
minus 4.
So assume this is k and this is 1.
Okay, what?
Assume this is k and 1. I can assume anything.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I have assumed k is to 1. Means m is equal to k, n is equal to
Yeah.
1.
1.
N is equal to 1. True na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm writing all the value. This is x1, y1, x2,
Y2.
y2, x, y.
Y.
Correct na?
Yes, sir.
I'm saying also x1 is equal to minus 6 and y1 is equal to 10, x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to minus 8. I told everything, now you should say it. Correct? Now say the formula. Speak the formula. X is equal to
X equal mx2
mx2
plus nx1 by m plus n.
and y is equal to
M by
only one will speak
plus m by 1
by
m plus n.
m plus.
N.
Acha, now say the value. M is equal to
K.
k, x2 is equal to
Minus 8.
Minus
8.
x2
3.
3, sir. Plus
x2 is equal to
3.
3 plus n is equal to
1.
1.
x1 is equal to
Minus 6.
Minus
6.
x1.
Minus 6.
Bracket.
Correct?
Sir.
By m plus n. M is how much?
A plus 1.
K plus 1. Here you get one thing.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha, now here. One more thing. X is also given, right?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to how much?
1.
And
X minus 4.
Minus 4.
X is equal to
Yes, sir.
minus 4. Acha. Now say y is how much? 6. Y is how much?
6.
M is how much?
K.
K.
Y2
8.
8.
minus 8 plus n.
1.
1.
1.
Y1.
3.
Y1 is
Yeah.
here k plus 1.
1.
K plus
1.
so we get the two equation.
Yes, sir.
We get the two
Equation.
equation. Simplify it. Do the cross multiplication. Minus 4k plus 4. Plus 4 or minus 4?
Minus 4.
Minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 6.
Yes, sir.
3k
Minus 6.
minus 6. Bring all the same variable one side. Same variable
One side.
one side. So minus 4k minus 3k is equal to minus 6 plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Minus 6 plus 4. So this become minus 7k is equal to minus 2. Yes na? Cancel. K is equal to 2 by 7. K is equal to
2
by 7.
true. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now here simplify. 6k plus 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10 plus 10. Bring this side. This one this side. So 8 plus 6 14k is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4.
4.
10 minus 6 is equal to
4.
so k is equal to 4 by 7. So 14. Right now?
Yes, sir.
So k is equal to 2 by 7. So either you solve this side or this side.
Answer is same.
Answer you will get same only. Value of k you will get same only. So now which one you get? You get 2 by 7. 2 by 7. So this one you will write 2 is to 7. How much you get?
2:7.
2 is to Getting?
Yes, sir.
Question number next. Question number
Next.
8.
8.
Example number 8. Page number 165.
65.
Page number 160.
5.
And question number 7 was there in which number page? 164. 164. Correct na? Acha. Now read the question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Of
Trisection.
trisection. Trisection means dividing into 3 equal parts. Of the line segment joining the point A, B, 2, minus 2 and minus 7, 4. Minus 7, 4.
4.
Acha. Now saying dividing into trisection. 3 equal parts. 3 equal
Parts.
parts. So how much you'll get? And how you can find? Trisection means what? 3 equal parts.
3 parts.
3 equal
Parts.
means little wrong, right? It should be here. So this is 1. This is also 1 and this is also 1. Correct na? Trisection means we are divided into 3 equal parts. Acha. Assume this is P, this is Q.
Q.
P and this is Q.
Q.
For finding this kind of question, you should use this formula, not formula method. Take 1 time this part, 1 this part and 1 this full part. Means if this is 1, this is 2. 1 plus 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? 1 time take from here to here as 1 and from here to here take as
2.
1. So this is 2, this is
1.
1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Question is given for 3 but we have converted into
4.
2. Arre, 1, 2, 3 part is there na?
Yes, sir.
We have taken 1 part and 1 part, 1 part and 1 part.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now just assume this is x1, y1. We need to find p. We need to find first
P.
p. So keep this point as x, y. X,
Y.
y. True na?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes or no? Now this part is 1 and this full part is 2.
2.
Means m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. M is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Now say the direct. X is equal to m x2.
X2.
M.
X2.
So m into minus 7. Minus 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I'm not writing formula direct, I'm saying. M x2. So m 1 into minus 7 is minus 7.
Yes, sir.
N x1. So 2 into 2 is 4.
Yes, sir.
2 into 2 is
4.
by 1 plus 2. 1 plus
2.
means how much become? 3.
Yes, sir.
This is minus 3. Minus 3 by 3 is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to minus 1.
Minus
X is equal to
Minus 1.
now y is equal to m y2. So plus 4.
Yes, 4.
Then n y1.
2.
So minus 2 into 2 minus 4.
Minus 4. Yes, sir.
Minus
4.
by 1 plus 2. So plus 4 minus 4 become 0. Plus 4 minus 4 become
0.
0. So 0 by something is 0 by something is 0.
0.
So this coordinate become minus 1 comma 0. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I am finding this is the P, right?
Yes, sir.
This is P. Now I am trying to find Q. Trying to find
Q.
Q. So write here x comma y. X comma y. For you will take this line. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the one part. This is the other part. Now again, x is equal to m. This is the m. This is
Yeah.
n. I am rubbing this part. M. M x2.
Yes, sir.
M
X2.
x2. So 2 7 ja 14.
Yes, sir.
Minus 14. Yes na?
Minus 14.
Minus 14. N x1. So 1 into 2 is 2.
Yes, sir.
So plus 2
2.
by
3.
2 plus 1.
3.
Yes na? So how much become this one? 12. minus 12. Minus 12 by 3 is minus 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha, now y is equal to y. M
M
y2.
two.
M y2 means 2 into 4 is 8.
Yes, sir.
2 into 4 is
8.
8 plus n y1. So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2.
Yes, sir. Minus 2.
So here
Minus 2.
by how much?
3.
2 plus 1.
3.
Yes, na?
sir.
Means this is how much? 6.
6.
6 by 3 is 6 by 3 is
2.
2. So you get q is equal to minus 4 comma 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see, in exam if you do like this direct, they will see the answer correct but they will not give you marks.
Wow.
You should write formula, you should write formula, put the values, simplify it, then get the answer. Because in the class I have done the many times formula, so only I have done here directly.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And like this you should also know, like when you will go to future, next when you are having the competitive exam, correct, in the competitive exam you can't write all formulas, na? And in competitive exam one question will get maximum 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
One question maximum 1 minute. If you are writing formula and solving a step by step, then the life over there only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So little bit direct also you should learn. But in exam don't write this shortcut. You should write the full formula, full simplification, then get the full answer.
Yes, sir.
Getting?
Sir.
Then only you will getting marks. Question number 9. Question number
9.
9. See, find the ratio in which y-axis
Y-axis.
divides the line segment joining the point 5 comma minus 6 and minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1
Minus 4.
minus 4. So this is the line given. Dividing into k is to 1. This assume a, name is given not. So a, b. A, B. Acha. One more thing is saying y-axis. One more thing is saying
Y-axis.
means this line is dividing the y-axis. This line is dividing the
Y-axis.
y-axis. Acha. If it is on the y-axis, if it is on the
Y-axis.
y-axis, meaning why they have given y-axis? Why they have given y-axis? Think. No. Buck. I'm making correct or wrong. This is x-axis. This is
Y-axis.
y-axis. Now this line is divided by the y-axis. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Why given y-axis? We know on the y-axis value of x is always 0.
0.
Value of x is always
0.
means this coordinate will be x comma y. This coordinate will be x comma
Y.
y, but this x value will be 0. So it will be 0 comma y.
Y.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This x on y axis value of x is always 0. On x axis value of y is always 0.
0.
So if question is coming, line is divided by the x axis, means value of y is given 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. Now find x. Find
X.
x. X is equal to k into minus 1 minus k. Yes na? This one this side. K into minus 1 is minus k. Then this one this side. So plus 5.
Yes, sir.
1 into 5 is 5.
5.
By k plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to k into minus 4. Minus 4k.
Yes, sir.
1 into minus 6. Minus 6 by k plus 1. By
K plus 1.
k plus 7. And I have showed you, either you solve this side or this side, you will get same answer.
Yes, sir.
But one thing is given, x is equal to 0. One thing is given,
X is equal to 0.
and how we get to know x is equal to 0? Because question I have said is crossing through the y-axis.
Y-axis.
So here put 0. Put 0 means minus k plus 5 by k plus 1. This one this side totally 0 means minus k plus 5 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 5. K is equal to 5. Direct answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So ratio will be 5:1. 5:1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done?
No, sir. You are a baker.
See, question number 10.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10 saying point A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a.
Parallelogram.
So I have drawn one parallelogram. Correct. And written A, B, C, D. Taken in order, then find the value of P. Then find the value of
P.
P. Here this coordinate is not given. We should find the value of this P.
P.
Correct now? How will find? How we will find? By hand, right?
Yes, sir.
Mind to not required only. Join this and join this.
Kindly put.
Correct. Why we joined?
Cross with it.
We know that diagonal of a parallelogram bisects each other. What do you know? Diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. This thing is so right. Acha, bisect each other means this is 1:1. This is 1:1. And this is also 1:1. This is also 1:1. Now find the BD. Find the BD and find the AC.
AC.
Find the BD and find the
AC.
AC. Means this point
Midpoint.
will be same for all.
Yes, sir.
For this line also and for this line also. So from BD we will find this point and for AC also we will find this point only. Means both will be equal.
Yes, sir.
Both will be
Equal.
equal. And we will make equal. So assume this is x1, y1 or y(x1, y1), xy.
XY.
This is x, y. Correct now? And if this is the midpoint, if this is the
Midpoint.
midpoint, we can apply that midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If it is midpoint, we should apply the midpoint formula. So, right. BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. Why? Diagonal of a parallelogram bisects each other. Diagonal of a parallelogram bisect
Each other.
each other. Acha. So BD how much? P plus 8
Sir. B plus
by 2 by
2.
comma 3 plus 2 by 2 and AC 6 plus 9 by 2 comma 1 plus 4 by
2.
2. Correct na? X coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. We should find the x only because if you find the x, we will get the value of P. Yes or no? So compare these two. This is also x, this is also x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, for this point, x will be same only. Yes or no?
Sir.
Means this is P plus 8 by 2 is equal to, this is 66 plus 9. 6 plus 9, 15. This 2 get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Means P is equal to 15 minus 8. 15 minus
8.
means P is equal to
7.
7.
P is equal to 7. Get the value.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.